Hello friends, I'm Jodi the Yogi, and welcome back to the world of Om. Are you ready to sit crisscross applesauce like this? Can you stretch your legs out to the side and count with me? 1, 2, 3, crisscross applesauce. Let's do it again, but a little bit faster, just for fun. Stretch your legs out to the side. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, crisscross applesauce. Let's do it again, but this time, let's do it really, really slowly. To help us move slowly, let's take one deep breath. Breathe in. Okay, we're ready to move slowly. Stretch your legs out to the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, crisscross applesauce. That was silly. You know what? I think we're ready to take our yoga adventure, where we can pretend to go anywhere that you can imagine. So, where should we go? I know. Let's go to a big, big, big ocean where we can float on the warm water. Well, how should we get there, though? Let's take a car. Can you stretch your legs straight forwards? Oh my, have you noticed? It's suddenly gotten a little windy outside. Let's take out those windy branches.
It's a windy day outside today. The trees swish side to side. It's a windy day outside today. A great day for a ride. Put on your seatbelt and turn the key. Press the pedal and shout, yippee! Because we're driving, we're driving, we're driving in the car. We're driving, we're driving. Stop! We ran out of gas. Put your hands and feet down, lift up your belly, and pump up your belly button. A pump, 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 pump. A pump, 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 pump. We're ready. It's a windy day outside today. The trees swish side to side. It's a windy day outside today. A great day for a ride. Put on your seatbelt and turn the key. Press the pedal and shout, yippee! Because we're driving, we're driving, we're driving in the car. We're driving, we're driving. Stop! There's a big hill. Lift up your legs to go up, up, up the hill and down. Phew. It's a windy day outside today. The trees swish side to side. It's a windy day outside today. And now we have arrived.
Crisscross applesauce. Here we are, friends, at the big, big, big ocean. Let's lie down in the water and float. Put your legs forward and lie down on your back. And close your eyes. And float on the warm water for as long as you like. And I'll see you next time in the world of Om.